Hello YouTube, this is my first video. It's a camera from Forever American, so we were born. Today I'm going to show you a very first Nerf gun. See what arm we have. Here I have some armor. Let's put this down first. We have a little hole there. And shit. But what's the button to in there because it's very late night. And I get some water. So that's all. And please rate, comment, and subscribe.